In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug Apex code in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to the Salesforce environment, knowing how to effectively debug your code is essential for ensuring smooth operations and pinpointing errors efficiently. Let's kick things off by heading to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the powerful tools Salesforce provides. Now, locate and click on the Quick Settings icon. This section contains a host of options that simplify navigation and help you access various functions quickly. Once in Quick Settings, look for and click on Open Advanced Setup. Believe me, this is where the magic happens when you're trying to delve deeper into the intricate workings of your platform. Advanced Setup provides a suite of powerful tools for developers, including debugging options. Next, in the search bar, type in Debug Logs. This simple action is crucial as debug logs give you insights into what's happening behind the scenes with your Apex code. After typing debug logs, click on the debug logs option that appears. This will take you to a screen dedicated to setting up logs that track code execution and help identify any errors you might be encountering. At this point, you'll want to click on the New button to set up a new debug log. This allows you to define the parameters of what you want Salesforce to track. You'll be prompted to input a traced entity name. Here, you'll specify which user or entity's actions you want to monitor. Make sure you've chosen the right entity to get the most accurate and useful log information. Now, choose a debug level by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. This selection is quite important because it determines the verbosity of the log details you receive. Standard options often range from less detailed to very detailed information about your code execution. The right choice will depend on the depth of analysis you require at any given time. A new tab will open that allows you to confirm your debug level selection. Once you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and save your settings by clicking the Save button. This action confirms your parameters, and your new debug log is set to start capturing data. Finally, we focus on the Debug Logs page. This is where all the logs you've created are housed. Here, you can review the captured logs to analyze the code execution process, identifying any potential issues. Each entry will provide insights into the various parts of your Apex code, such as performance bottlenecks or logical errors, helping you refine and optimize your work. There you have it. By following these steps, you've set yourself up to effectively debug Apex code in Salesforce. Remember, consistently reviewing and updating your debug logs as necessary will help ensure that your applications run smoothly and any potential issues are quickly resolved.